guys, this is Sanjaleeta. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing good. I wanted to let you know, well, I did my Boxy charm unboxing yesterday, and I used a lot of the products, almost basically everything I received in my Boxy charm today for this look. And I used the Celestial Thunder by Dominique's Cosmetics eyeshadow palette for this look that I created. I mean, I didn't know what I was gonna create. I had no idea till I actually started applying the makeup and the eyeshadow. And this is a very highly pigmented eyeshadow. I mean, you could tell I barely even have to use any to get this look. So yeah, so if you guys want to know how I got this look, you can keep watching. Now through the tutorial, I'm not really talking because I want to get through it fast. So just kind of follow, what I'm doing. And, I'm not doing my eyeliner on camera because you guys all know how to do eyeliner and my mascara and my eyebrows. But I'm basically just doing, the eyeshadow look for you guys. So you guys can see how I created this look. And that watery eye is so annoying. It's almost like, this watery eye issue is almost like when you're trying not to cry and all of a sudden a tear just rolls down your cheek and you're like, But yeah, that's kind of how that happens. I mean, sometimes I don't even know. I'm just talking and boop, here comes a teardrop. And all of a sudden the person that I'm talking to might get sad thinking that I'm sad. And I'm like, I'm not. But anyways guys, keep watching. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I mean, it definitely helped me out. And that way you guys can learn some new techniques, new makeup techniques, new looks. And for you women that are older, my age, I'm 46. I'm going to be 47 in February. It's crazy. And I really never let myself go. I, just continued taking care of myself, and this is how I take care of myself. It's with makeup, and number one is, my diet, of course. So I talk about that a lot. So, yep, just watch what you eat and, keep up with yourself. Don't let yourself go, because I did let myself go once upon a time, and I was 120 pounds overweight. So anyways, this is me. So keep watching. so we're done, guys. What do you guys think of this look? I really like the look. These eyes are definitely popping with that turquoise color. And yeah, so this was the eyeshadow palette that I used. Totally worth it in your Boxy charm. It's only $25 a month, guys. I mean, come on. I mean, you guys probably throw that money away like every day on stupid things. Potato chips or something you probably shouldn't even be having. But yeah, that was the Mystic Ice that I used for the blue. And it almost reminds me of that moon tutorial that I did, that moon look. Moonshine, I believe. So anyways, and the lipstick I used was the one that came with it, and that was the nude color. And I thought I wasn't gonna like this lipstick, and one of my subscribers, Susan McCormick, she talked me into, she's like, keep that lipstick, it's gonna look gorgeous on you. So I kept it and I put it on. Susan, what do you think? Yeah, it came out really good. I like it, and it goes perfect with this eye look because the eyes are really dramatic. You know, the eyeshadow, not the eyes, but oh, this is so annoying. But yeah, anyways, so yeah, because the eyes are so dramatic, I guess, you know, nude lips does look good with this look. So let me know what you guys think about this look. Don't be afraid to comment. I mean, if you have questions, ask me, you know, what did I put on for this, or I went too fast, or, you know, ask me where did I get a product from, you know, or I could link it. A lot of them, on a lot of my videos I would link, and I don't know if it's really helping you guys, but just let me know if it does. But you could always ask, you know, send a comment. I mean, you guys, I don't really know who you guys are. You're my subscribers. I've never seen you in my life. You guys see me, of course, on video. And so I just kind of, when I see the comments, it just reminds me of like angel notes. Like, I don't even know where these are coming from, and you guys are saying that, oh, you look so beautiful, or what a wonderful look, and it just feels good to open it. It's like a little gift I open every day on my messages, so it's kind of cool. But anyways, yeah, so Susan, I'm glad I kept this lip color, and, you know, thank you for watching my videos. I mean, she's like one of my awesome subscribers. She just motivates me, and, you know, came to find out she's a sister in Christ, so that's probably where we connected so quick too, which is kind of cool. But anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so, and hit the notification bell, and that way, you know, every time I post a video, which this is my 3rd video this week, which is pretty cool, you know, besides how busy I am and taking care of a sick teenager, which he's coughing in the background. He's feeling a lot better, but he has this cough that's just kind of lingering. And yeah, he pretty much missed this week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, he's been, well, Monday they had a holiday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, he's been sick. So hopefully he should be able to go back to school soon. But the good thing is a lot of their homework is on their Chromebooks. You know, they get these little laptops in school, so he could work on that while he's sick. So hopefully he's not too behind, but I don't want to send a sick kid to school to get other people's kids sick, because that's pretty annoying for a parent to have to deal with, you know, especially when you work full time and you can't really get the time off, and then you've got the sick kid at home. I'm blessed to be here to take care of my kid, you know. It's not like I have to be at a job, you know, and worrying that, is my kid okay? Is he taking his meds on time? You know, so I'm really blessed to be home, thanks to my hubby. So anyways, guys, do subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think about this look. I'm just going to keep blabbing on and on. So be blessed. Bye. Hey you. Don't forget to subscribe.